MaintainX is the leading mobile-first maintenance and asset management platform. For manufacturers and distribution centers on Oracle NetSuite, it's the missing piece that keeps assets running and production on track. Powered by AI, teams can ask questions in real time, generate procedures from manuals, and catch anomalies before they become emergencies. Our certified native integration keeps critical data in sync between MaintainX and NetSuite. New vendors added in NetSuite automatically appear in MaintainX, keeping supplier information up to date. New parts sync to MaintainX too, so technicians know what's available before the work begins. Inventory adjustments made in MaintainX flow back to NetSuite, keeping quantities accurate across both systems. And purchase orders created in MaintainX sync directly to NetSuite, complete with unit costs and line item details. Join companies like Cintas, Univar Solutions, and US LBM that use MaintainX to reduce downtime and costs. Connect your shop floor to procurement and finance with MaintainX. It's fast to deploy, built for frontline teams, and natively integrated with NetSuite. Get started today.